Sharon, many times when you have a disaster like this, you hear about looting and, unfortunately, some crooked contractors as well.
Yeah, that's right, Steve. I went up there to the area called the Hot Zone in Hazelwood. It is the hardest hit area. I wanted to find out what's being done to keep everyone safe and protect the property of these storm victims, and to find out if there have been any problems.
Haven't heard of anything from any residents.
Hazelwood Mayor Matthew Robinson says preparing for the worst has paid off. There are checkpoints at each end of the hot zone. I wanted to get a bird's eye view of the security system, so I went up in a tree trimmer's bucket. Up here I can see the Missouri State Patrol, Hazelwood Police, as well as St. Louis County officers. They're all over the neighborhood. Is that enough of a deterrent for residents to feel secure? Officers at the checkpoint stop everyone. Everyone going into the hot zone needs a pass or a driver's license showing they belong.
I think they're doing a great job. I've never seen anything like this before, so I think they're doing awesome.
I see you have your ID out.
Oh, yes, ma'am. I have to have this to come through with the policeman. We don't want anybody in here that doesn't belong here.
And so you don't feel inconvenienced by that?
No, ma'am. I feel protected by that.
Hopefully it gives a warning to anybody that wants to do something wrong. You know, that, hey, Hazelwood's watching out for their community, and not only Hazelwood Police Department, our residents are looking out for residents too.
Now, I also talked with one of the Missouri Highway Patrol officers at the scene at one of the checkpoints. He told me he believes extra security will have to stay in that area for at least a month.